In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Colossyan Creator. If you're looking to turn ideas or scripts into polished videos quickly, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to get started and make the most of your first project. First, log into Colossyan. Use a modern browser and a stable internet connection so everything loads smoothly. Before you sign in, it can help to have your message or script ready, along with any brand assets you plan to use, like logos or reference colors. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the dashboard where your projects live. Think of this as your home base for creating and organizing your videos. Next, click on New Video. This is your entry point into a fresh project. You're essentially opening a blank canvas that Colossyan will help you shape into a finished piece. Don't worry about perfection at this stage. This action simply sets the stage and gives you a space to begin building. From here, you can either start blank or select a template. Starting blank is great if you already have a clear structure in mind and want full control over every element from the ground up. Choosing a template is perfect when you want a head start with layout, pacing, and visual style. Templates give you a professional framework that you can adjust to fit your brand and content. If you're uncertain, a template can save time and help you visualize the flow, while a blank canvas provides ultimate flexibility. Either way, you're not locked in. You can customize extensively once you're inside the project. After you make your choice, it will take you to the editor where you can customize further. This is where your video truly comes to life. You can refine on-screen text to match your script, adjust backgrounds and colors to align with your brand, and arrange scenes so your message unfolds in a clear sequence. Keep your text concise for readability, use consistent fonts and sizes, and maintain enough contrast between text and background for accessibility. If you're using visuals, place them with intention so they support what's being said and guide the viewer's eye. Small tweaks, like spacing, alignment, and timing, go a long way toward a polished, professional feel. As you work, pause occasionally to review how the flow feels from start to finish and make adjustments to pacing or emphasis where needed. And that's the core process. Log in, click New Video, choose a blank canvas or a template, and then customize in the editor. With these steps, you'll be ready to create engaging, clear, and on-brand videos in Colossyan Creator.